ladies and gentlemen, retest pa. Pag retest nyo dyan, bang, boom, ganyan na. Binirake out pa, wala na. Okay? Ito medyo certain na talaga ako. Tapos may fundamentals pa, wala na. Tapos, pag breakout pa talaga, may clash the news pa. Weakness of dollar, war, geopolitics, nuclear conflict, wala na. What if yung second trade mo pa, negative 10%? Putik, ang laki nun. Oh, di ba? So, you have to cut loss sa'yo. Wala na, GG ka talaga. Mas mahirap siya psychological. Very, very obvious yung move ni gold, if you notice, no? If you plot the major resistance from that bounce, ito yung major resistance niya, ito lang ang dito na eh. Kaya yung last na bounce niya, ito talaga yung nag-major resistance. When it tries to consolidate and created this high low na yan, ayun na, binirake out niya from here, showing a very huge candle. And ito yung matinding price action structure, not that it did, which is really what I like. Pag breakout niya dito, hinold muna niya yung price. Okay, ni-retest pa, ladies and gentlemen, ni-retest pa. Pag retest niya dyan, bang, boom, yan na. Binirake out pa, wala na. Okay, ito medyo certain na talaga ako. Tapos may fundamentals pa, wala na. Pero my point is, wala na to. Breakout na talaga to. Clear breakout na siya. Kompleto na yung Ricardo. It shows a very strong resistance. It gives us a clear reversal recipe. It gives us a holding price structure and a breakout candle. Tapos, pag breakout pa talaga, may clash the news pa. Weakness of dollar, war, geopolitics, nuclear conflict. Wala na. Sobrang parang, wow, okay. You're getting there, brother. So, the question is, saan ito pupunta? Yun ang una tanong. Pag binigyan ka ng support, tapos another one, pwede mong gawin. Hanap ka ng trend. Ang key dito, may cut loss ka talaga, guys. May cut loss kang hindi ka masusunog. May cut loss kang hindi masakit. Alam mo, may trade ka tapos hindi mo kayang enteran ulit kasi masyado malaki yung first loss. Nangyari sa inyo yun? Nag-first trade ka, sobrang laki ng talo mo, hindi ka maka-enter ng second trade kasi malaki na yung loss. For instance, cut loss mo kagad 10%. May nagtanong sa akin sa meetup, okay lang ba coach, cut loss ko 10%? Question ko sa kanya, anong win rate ng 10% mo? Sana kung 90% win rate yan, tapos may history ka na 10 years, pwede. O sige, what if, sabihin natin, win rate mo lang dyan, 40%. Mababa, less than 50%. First trade mo, cut loss ka agad, bumagsak si market, kahit sobrang ganda ng bias. Bigyan ka another opportunity, major support ng daily. Hindi ka na papasok, 10% losses ka din. What if yung second trade mo pa, negative 10%? Putik, ang laki nun. O, di ba? So, you have to cut loss sa'yo. Wala na, GG ka talaga. Mas mahirap siya psychologically.